हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल आईटी प्लैनेट में। इस यूट्यूब चैनल पे आप आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल की कंप्यूटर बुक की सभी क्लासेस की सभी एक्सरसाइजेस का सॉल्यूशन आपको इस चैनल पे मिल जाएगा। सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल्स एंड लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियोस। तो आज इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे क्लास 8 चैप्टर 4 की एक्सरसाइज का सॉल्यूशन। तो शुरू करते हैं। टिक द करेक्ट आंसर में फर्स्ट है क्वेश्चन रिप्रेजेंटेड in a way that access can understand. The correct answer is query. Second, the shortcut key to save a query is Ctrl plus S. Query used to display the records that have same values for one or more specified fields. So correct answer is duplicate query. While sorting on more than one field, the more important field is called major field, major key. A way of displaying data from a query or a table in an appealing way is known as report. So correct answer is report. The two special wildcards for query provided by Access are star and question mark. Next question is filling the blanks. A query can be created using design view and wizard. So correct answer is design view and wizard. To create a selected query, dash view can be used. So correct answer is design view. So only write here design view. Run button is present on, again answer is design tab. design tab पे वो available होता है. Next is dash query is used to display the records that have the same values for one or more of the specified fields. So the correct answer is duplicate query. Duplicate query. Next question. The conditions that identify the records you want to find is called, इसका आंसर है criteria, is called criteria. The field on which the records are the field on which the records are sorted is called the dash in report, is called sort key. इसे sort key कहते हैं. The lines that are printed for each record are called detail lines. उन्हें detail lines कहा जाता है. Next, last filling the blank. Dash is the quick way of building a report, that is blank report. Blank report is the quick way. Yes students, so these are the answers of all the filling blanks. ये filling blanks के सबके आंसर्स हैं, आप नोट करके ले लो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय क्वेरी, एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेरी. तो यहाँ पर हमें क्वेरी की डेफिनेशन लिखनी है और क्वेरीज के अलग अलग टाइप्स क्या है वो लिखनी है. सो हियर इज द आंसर. अ क्वेरी इज सिंपली a question represented in a way that Access can understand. It is basic tool that Access provides for retrieving information from the database. So this is the definition of query, and now there are three types of queries available. First, simple query. So it is used to ask some particular questions about data in the database. Next, second, unmatched query. It is used to find the records from one table that do not have corresponding values in the second table. And third type of query is duplicate query. Duplicate query is used to display the records that have some values for one or more of the specified fields. So this is the first question answer. see, next second question is what? Define criteria. Define criteria. Criteria क्या है वो define करना है, तो उसका आंसर है, see here, criteria act like a filter option that filters out certain records. They are conditions that they identify the records we want to find. So this is the answer of B question. Let's see C question. C question is, what do you understand by wildcards? Name the special wildcards used in Access. See, here is the answer. Wildcards are symbols that represent any character or combination of characters. Access provides two special wildcards. First one is the asterisk, means star, which represents any collection of characters. Thus, R star represents the letter R, followed by any collection of characters. The other wildcard symbol is question mark, which represents any individual character. Thus, R question VI represents the letter letter A, followed by any single character that follows the letter, such as in Ravi. So this is the answer of question number C. Next, let's see question number D. What is the difference between compound criteria and comparison operator? See, here is the answer. When more than one criteria might be available to satisfy the data we are searching, this type of criteria is called compound criteria. And or are two types of compound criteria. Comparison operator allows us to perform comparison between two matches. The comparison operators are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. So this is the answer of question number D. Let's see the question E. What is question E? Question E is, what is sorting and why do we need it? Sorting क्या है और उसकी ज़रूरत क्या है? So sorting means arranging the records in a particular order, ascending or descending. This is the definition of sorting. We need sorting when we want to arrange records in a logical order with similar data grouped together. So this is the answer of question number E. Let's see what is question F. Define primary sort key and secondary sort key. Primary and secondary sort key क्या है वो बताना है. If we are sorting on more than one field, the more important field is called primary sort key, also called major key, and the less important field is called secondary sort key, also called minor key. So these are the definitions of primary sort key and secondary sort key. Next, last question. What do you mean by report? And write the steps to create the report. So here, reports are used to represent information in a neat and organized format that is ready for printed. It is way to display data from a query and table in appealing manner, that is manner of presenting data. Steps to create simple report are: step 1, click on the table or query on which you want to base the report from the navigation pane. Second step, click on create tab. Third step, click on report from reports tab, reports group. Right? Access builds the report and display it in layout view. So these are the question answers of chapter number 4 of class 8. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर इस वीडियो से आपको हेल्प मिली है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलिए. सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.